Yeah, hi, hello, welcome back to my channel Tutor Things. So, as you all know, we have started SQL 50 lead code series. So, where you have already solved two questions on SQL 50 series. So, this will be the video for the third question, which is called as a big countries. So, yeah, you can just go to leadcode.com by just signing up with your mail account, and then you will be landing to so many questions in lead code. So, just go to SQL 50, search for that. So where you'll be having 50 SQL questions. In this series, we will be solving each and every questions with a more detailed description, and then explaining a full-fledged query with everything in detail. So yeah, let's get started with the third problem statement. Yeah, the, the problem statement starts with the name starts with big countries. So the number of this problem is 595. So yeah, we'll be having a schema first, and then the schema. This is a schema. The table name is a world. So the column names are the name, continent, area, population, and GDP. So yeah, name will be a varchar, and then continent is a varchar, area is a int, population is also int, and GDP is a big int. So name is a primary key. The column with unique values we called as a primary key, uh, wo- which is a thing will be seen in the table as a default or not mandatory. So yeah, each row of this table gives information about the name of the country and continent to which it belongs to, and the area and population of that country, and also the GDP value of that particular uh, country. Okay, so yeah. Next, you'll be having they are telling like a country is a big. They are giving some cases. First of all, the information they are giving, just read it out. So a country is a big. They are telling like they are considering a country is a big only if they satisfy these two conditions. And let's see what are those conditions. It has an area of at least 3 million. So area should be at least 3 million. So that is square kilometers. Okay. So 3 million square kilometers they have given, like that is 3 million square kilometers. So or it has a population of at least 25 million. It can be having an area of at least 3 million or a population of at least 25 million. Okay, so these are the two cases where they are considering the country is a big. Okay, so now the problem statement is they're asking to write a solution to find out the name, population, and area of big countries. So they have already tell like what are the big countries. So they're asking the countries of which satisfy these two conditions as well as big countries. They want the names of those and population area of those countries. Okay, so yeah, so let's see this. Yeah, this is the thing they have given. So name, population, area of big countries they're asking. The result can be in any order. The result format should be in following example. Just see the example so that you will get better idea. So yeah, the table world table is like this. The name is there, continent, area, population is the columns. The data is in the names is like here. The name is Afghanistan, and then Asia area GDP it should be this value. So because it is in the smaller space, it has came. Yeah, now you can see the cut. So Afghanistan, Asia, and this is the population, this is GDP, and they're having given some other names of the countries, and then they're asking like GDP, sorry, population area should be greater than, sorry, at least 3 million or at least 25 million. So on that condition, you can see yeah, Afghanistan is having uh, greater than 25 million, and then at least 30 million. See, otherwise it will be having less values for other things. So this is 2, and then 465, and then 12. So only these two, Afghanistan and Algeria, is satisfying the condition as which is coming as big countries, so that the data is here like this output. So let's solve this problem. So first thing we have to understood is first every problem is selecting is fine, and then from which table we know the table idea is. So the condition we are writing in a where clause that should be important. First we have to get an idea on that. So what they are asking, what condition they are asking about. So big countries means on area and population we have to add condition on. So area is at least 3 million is nothing but area should be greater than, at least is nothing but equal to, should be greater than or equal to whatever it is given, like 3 million 3 million kilometers, or like the next population should be at least means greater than or equal to. So now you, that thing is clear, is like whatever you have to write is clear. So now select what are the things they want to select. They want to select name. Here they have given, right, name, population and area. Name, population and then area. They want these three values, okay. Yeah, let's take it from whatever the table name they have given, like old. Next, the condition which you have to add, where on what are the fields we have to add. First we have to add an area, which is what they have given, right, 3 million. So you just copy paste that, and so they can see, or they are asking, not end. So that should be satisfied, or this should be satisfied, they are not asking. So any one of that satisfied, then it comes into as big what we call big country, okay. So or is the thing which we have to use, whatever they are asking we should use that case, and then 25 million is the population. To avoid any kind of an errors, you can just copy paste the things, value names or anything. You if any one time, like if you are just adding things, you might miss up at any point. That will create you errors, and take much time to you to understand what has gone wrong, like that. Just copy paste and that will make you work easy. So yeah, this is the sql query we have written, like selecting name and population area from the table they have given, like the world, and then adding conditions on area and population based upon the number is they have given, that is 3, at least 3 million and at least 25 million. So just submit the answer by submitting the button. Now you can see 6 by 6 text cases has passed, and the runtime for this is 626 milliseconds. So that's all for this video. I hope you understood, right? The problem description is very clear. They have given the condition also. The one thing which you have to know here is at least 3 million is nothing but can be equal to, also can be greater than or equal to. So area is greater than or equal to this, or they're asking about or condition, or population is greater than or equal to these two conditions. Tells us that particular country is a big country. So you can just list out the name and population of that country, so that you will be having everything here. So you can just check the test cases here also. So test cases all are got solved here. So that's all for this video. Hope you understood. If you have any comments, let me know in the comment section. I'll definitely reply to your comments. And if you have any suggestions for us to improve our tutorials, let me know in the comment section. We'll definitely improve from our side. Also share our videos to your friends or colleagues who are at learning stage of MySQL and they are preparing for any interviews. These SQL questions will definitely help them to get the things better. So yeah, see you in the next video. Bye bye.